I spent over 10 years working professionally in PowerPoint and I've bundled everything I know about this Slide Master in this program. Hi, my name is Sander, I'm a Microsoft PowerPoint MVP and I teach professionals like you become an expert in PowerPoint. Now let's start with the most important question that we have. And that is, why do you actually need a Slide Master? Now these are actually the 3 reasons why people hate PowerPoint that much. First of all, they have a lot of manual formatting, constantly readjusting, aligning, tweaking things on the slide, manually making it look nice. Number 2, which is a formatting chaos. They have to change all the colors manually, they have to change the fonts and do everything in a manual way slide by slide, and they don't really like it. And number 3, that is an endless repetition of things. They're constantly feeling that they're doing the same thing over and over again on different slides, copying it from one deck, putting it in another, and trying to redo all of those things and doing a lot on repeat. And if you recognize yourself in one of these things, well, the chances are you're not using PowerPoint to its full potential. And that way PowerPoint becomes boring, but it doesn't have to be. It can look a lot cooler, because these are actually the reasons why people love PowerPoint. And that is having content and layout that shifts automatically when you want to add content. You can also easily remove content and you see how everything automatically adjusts and you don't have to do manual tweaking. And that just removes so many manual clicks and drags. You don't have to do all that effort. You can just let PowerPoint do the heavy lifting for you. And all of the formatting things that we're talking about, like the colors, the fonts, well, all of those things, they exist in the backend. So if you set that up correctly, well, you can just do one click and everything changes all at once. And these repetitive tasks that we keep talking about, well, also those, they can be automated if we use PowerPoint the right way. Because we just take the content that we have for our needs and we apply a slide layout to it. We apply a slide master to it. And that way PowerPoint can understand what sort of content that we want, and it can help us create some variants, create some extra columns, create some extra boxes that we want to add, and it just does that all for you. And it's by using that slide master that you actually become the master of your slides. And you are in control of what you do, you're in control of the changes that you make. And I'm not just going to show you how the Slide Master works, I'm going to teach you exactly how to build that template yourself, how you can upgrade your template so you can make it world class in 2026. That is important. I don't like these boring PowerPoint looking templates and slides. I want something that is really jumping out, that is really professional and that you can use for your company and for your brand. So to do that, we're going to go through 4 simple steps. Number 1, you're going to look at working efficiency, and I'll teach you the simple techniques on how you can work 10 times faster in PowerPoint. Now this chapter alone has been a game changer for a lot of my students. It really makes you rethink how we use PowerPoint from a content perspective. And it all boils down to that quote, if you have 6 hours to chop down a tree, you spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Now we're going to do this in a very practical and very hands-on way, so from lesson 1 you get a real benefit of that program already. Now once we've sharpened the axe, we're going to move to the second step. And the second step is really understanding how PowerPoint thinks. We're going to understand the building blocks from PowerPoint, how it's built up, how the logic works, because that is going to be super important when we make our content, but also if we let other things like Copilot or AI generators create content for us, because they think in the terms of systems, they think in terms of building blocks and structure that we have. So we're going to put that in place. And as a bonus, you'll get access to my ultimate PowerPoint template, so you can really see what a professional template looks like. You can tear it apart, you can reverse engineer it together with me. We're going to look at the back end, the front end, how it connects with one another, and how you can use that and build something for yourself. And I think that is a really crucial part in learning something. You want to start from an end product, you want something that looks really good, that works in the way that you might want it to work, and then we're going to tear it apart, we're going to learn from it, and we're going to apply it to your exact deck. Now that brings us to step number 3, which is going to be the build up. And in the build up, we're going to start from scratch and we're going to build that template. Now of course you can follow along with your own content, with your own brand colors that we've set in place. We're going through everything step by step. And by the end of that, you'll have a fully working template that is like a professional template and that works the way you want it to work for your content. And then as a final step, number 4, we're going to look at the real world business cases. And in this chapter, we're going to look at the big companies and how they work, how their slide decks are built up in the front end and the back end. And we're sort of going to replicate it. And I'm going to show you how you can get some really complex structures from financials to technology to consumer products. We're going to look at all of those things. So you get some real example slides and you understand the feel of how it works in the front end and the back end and how everything connects nicely together. And my teaching style is very clear, it's no fluff, and it's getting you results from day one. That is the most important thing. I want you to have a real impact and real results on your slides from the first video that you watch. And that is because your time is valuable. So if you want to stop wasting time with PowerPoint, click the link below and sign up for the Slide Master program.